Hey everybody, so I got some footage I'm going to play for you guys. Somebody was backing in next to me, and mistakes can happen very quick. Alright, so we're dropping the trailer for the night, but look at that. I have a window in the trailer. And there's some damage going all the way up the side. See a little bit right there. Maybe not tonight, but you can definitely see that hole. He was an owner-operator, owned a really nice truck. It was a square nose, lighted out and everything. Nice truck. But mistakes can happen very quick. And as you can see, he put a hole in my trailer. That sucked for him. We were parked, we were out of dock, so we weren't moving, we weren't doing anything. At first, I didn't even realize that we got hit. I thought it was a forklift that ran into the back of the trailer real hard, you know, the way it kind of like poof, bounces in there. But anyway, so in other news, as my hair looks crazy, I have an idea that I'm probably gonna, no, not probably, I am gonna start doing. So I'm gonna be spending some money to buy a audio recording device. Now, this is a high end, so it's gonna be super clear. But I'm gonna start inviting guest people to my channel, and we're gonna have conversations talking about all kinds of things. And you guys are going to be able to see it or hear it. So it's going to be kind of like a podcast, but not a pod. I don't want to say a podcast, but kind of like that, where we're talking about different road conditions or maneuvering the truck or things that you've learned or on the road experiences, driving in the winter, different things like that, or maybe even talking to people in the industry that are not drivers, you know, either it be mechanics or office people, a whole bunch of things. And I think that's going to bring some really awesome content to my YouTube channel. And I already have some of these conversations with people, but I never really had a good way to record it. And I've been researching in exactly how to get a good recording to do that. So as my dog drinks some water and makes some noise, I think that's going to be some really awesome content. So if you guys are excited for that, let me know down below. The equipment is not cheap, so this is where I'm going to say, y'all, if you like my content, if you want to support the content that I make, I do have Patreon. I'm probably going to go in there and add some other Patreon levels. Some a little bit cheaper, some a little bit expensive. You know, so take a look at it. Take a look at what the rewards are. And I'm going to start, you know, giving something to some of my Patreons. That'll be a bit of a surprise, but I already got something kind of planned out. So yeah, that's that. And other news, I got another video that I'm actually about to get back there, record real quick before I go to sleep. But in trucking, you can make a lot of money. Quite a bit. And being smart with that money is vital. Okay? So I'm going to actually start doing investing. And then I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. And I have a company. It's almost ready. But once I get to a certain point with that, I'll be doing a series of videos showing exactly how to set it up or how to do it, minus some key details. Okay, I mean, it is a company, it is a business, ambient small, but all businesses grow from a seed, right? You know, so you got to know how to nurture it. But I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to teach you guys, and I'm doing it from a truck, and going to the house every now and then. You know, some of it you can do it completely from the truck, like the investing. So there's going to be different videos coming out that I hope are going to be very engaging for you guys. It's something that I enjoy doing, and it's getting me to the next stage. I don't want to be a truck driver for the next 40 years. Mind you, I am 30 now, so you gotta be smart with the money that you make, and that's kind of what I want to try to capitalize on in the coming videos. And yeah, I have taken a little bit of a break from producing videos. I've had a lot of family things going on. So yeah, I'll try to get back on it. Thanks for, sticking around. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I hope you guys are going to love the new content like I think you guys would. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.